I'm John Coelho Jr. and I come from a fourth-generation family of dairy professionals, mainly involved in the farm producer angle. I've been in various aspects of the dairy industry, from plant management to marketing, and currently I'm with the supervision team and management at Safeway Clackamas Milk at their Lucerne production facility. First came in contact with ODI when we were building and conceptualizing our artisan cheese facility on our farm north of here in Woodburn. And we utilize the industry expertise and academia expertise provided by the extension and the professorship, which brought me into the ODI organization, and I started attending the annual conferences about 8 to 9 years ago. The main thing is the wide perspective, going back to doing this stuff before automation and talking to the people who were doing this before I was born, before my father was born. We have professionals who have dedicated their entire lives to marketing, manufacturing quality products, and that's important to me because it ensures that on the farm level, the dairy farm level, there's always a safe, secure market for our milk. Our family dairies raise many families, 13 or 14 families, put kids into college, and our life is based on it. And I've received, and even though I haven't been around that long, a person in this business one time that I met here at ODI told me to give more to agriculture, give more to this industry than you ever take. It's a mutually beneficial relationship, from the tenured lifelong professionals teaching me and teaching my generation, and my generation conveying where we're going now. And it happens at ODI. This is the one place where it's created perfectly. I am one of the youngest at 33 years old. I'm one of the youngest persons involved in this on a routine basis. But I think if you were to go back 25, 30 years, there were probably gentlemen in their mid-20s. So the youngest professionals at the spectrum here on a routine basis involved are now in the mid-30s. I foresee that going to the mid-40s unless we have a change, a paradigm shift in how we market our business and our industry to the younger professional. I remember leaving, when I left high school, I had a teacher tell me this: you have your whole life to work. The contrast is 30 years ago, a man come out of high school, you're looking at the military or getting into a job as soon as possible to establish something, to build something, to build an income. The attitude of you have your whole life to work, and trying to convince me that I didn't need to go get a job. I need to just kind of enjoy and live a life of leisure for 4 or 5 years. That also is an industry challenge, and young professionals like myself still have to demonstrate the traits of our predecessors. The hard work, the long hours, that work ethic and those attributes are highly desirable in any industry. It's up to us to not only portray the industry in a positive light, show the past, the present, the future, the career opportunities, and convey the lifelong of security and enjoyment we have received in our careers. Convey that to the next generation to recruit them in to ensure that we have the best professionals in our industry.